Chapter 8 is current electricity. Before beginning this topic, current electricity, first we have to understand the topic charge. What is the charge? Charge is the number of electrons passed through a conductor in unit time. Charge is the number of electrons passed or gained or lost by the conducting material in unit time is charge. Number of electron gained or lost is the charge. There are two types of charges, positive and negative. When any substance gets the electron, means excess of electron, then it has negative charge. When it has deficiency of electron, then it has positive charge. Okay, so there are two types of charges. First is positive charge and the second is negative charge. Positive charge because of the deficiency of electron and the negative because of excess of electron. The unit of charge is coulomb. Charge is measured in coulomb. Its symbol is C. The unit of charge, SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is measured in, it's abbreviated as C. Okay. So the quantity of charge on a body is determined by the number of electron in defect if the body is positively charged or in excess if it has negative charge. Okay. We know that the electronic charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. It means that the charge on an electron is plus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb or minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. The next topic is concept of current. Current is defined as, it is abbreviated as I. What is current? Current is abbreviated as I and its formula is I is equals to Q by T. I is equals to Q by T. What is Q? What is Q?
Charge.
Charge.
Charge
Q
on a
is the
body.
charge on a body. I is equals to Q by T. So current is defined as the amount of charge flow through the conductor in unit time. I is equals to Q by T. So the amount of charge, or we can say that the rate of flow of charge is called current. The rate of flow of charge is called current. It is represented by the letter I. Its unit is ampere. Okay. Generally it is measured in ampere, but its derived unit of charge is coulomb. Unit of time is second. So it is also measured in coulomb per second. It is the derived unit and generally it is measured in ampere, which is abbreviated as A. Okay. Next we have flow of current. Flow of current. In metal, the moving charges are the free electron. We know that the electricity or the current flows because of the free electron. Electron which are present in the outermost shell of the metal can leave their orbit because they have less force of attraction with the nucleus. This is the nucleus and these are the orbits. The electron present in the outermost shell, which has the least force of attraction with the nucleus or which is free to leave the orbit, is called free electron. Because of these free electron only, the current or electricity flows. The flow of current or electricity is because of the free electron. So we can say that Free electrons are responsible for the flow of current. If n electrons pass through the conductor, then charge on the body will be Q is equals to Ne. Number of electrons into electronic charge. So the formula will be, we know that I is equals to Q by T. So I is equals to Ne by T. Okay. Current is a scalar quantity. It gives only the magnitude. Its direction is always from negative to positive. Electrons always flows from positive to negative. Electron always flows from negative to positive, from excess to deficiency. But current always flows from opposite direction, that is positive to negative. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next we have the concept of potential and potential difference. You have already studied this topic in your previous class. Concept of potential and potential difference you have already studied in class 9th also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
We had this topic. So, but before beginning this topic, we have already finished the sufficient syllabus, that is the syllabus of half yearly. So we can have revision, we can move slowly because we have sufficient time to complete our syllabus. So I have told that I will ask the questions of chapter 6. I told that I will ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you all have prepared.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to ask. Ashi, which color deviate the most and which color deviate the least? Ashi, which color deviate the most
Ma'am, violet.
and least?
Ma'am, red.
Okay, good. Akshay,
Yes, ma'am.
from which surface of the triangle refraction takes place? Diksha, Piyush,
Ma'am, from the side of the triangles.
from the side of the triangles?
Yes,
Ma'am, from both the surface, both the
ma'am.
refracting.
Ma'am.
It always occurs from the first surface, the surface on which it falls. I've explained. What is dispersion? Jasmine. Falguni, what is the cause of dispersion?
Ma'am, the cause of dispersion is the change in speed of different colored light when they are traveling from air to another medium.
Okay, good. What are invisible spectrum? Rashika. Rashika, what is invisible spectrum? Rashika, what is invisible spectrum? Tanish,
तो बताइए।
the part of a spectrum beyond red and violet extreme is called invisible spectrum. You have not prepared well. Okay, revise your topics. From the next topic, it will be started tomorrow or on Monday. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.